Hey friends, I'll tell you something very weird. Microsoft allows users to share their own Windows updates to other computers on either their local network or even the internet, wider area public network easily. And if you wish to stop this for privacy reasons, which you should, then please watch this video. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options in the right pane. Then go to delivery optimization. You'll have this option allow downloads from other PCs. Turn the switch off. Now, even if it was on by default, it is selected at devices on my local network, which means that devices which are connected to the same network as you are connected. For example, I'm connected to this network. I'd never check the second option, devices on the internet and my local network, because if I select this one, it will actually expose my system a lot. So here's what I can do, turn the switch off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.